In this video I'll show you how you can fix please reboot and restart the game in GTA 5 Enhanced. Now the first thing you should try and look for is to check if your drivers are up to date. Now I have NVIDIA, so if I go to the drivers button I can see that I'm currently up to date. Now the next step is to actually clear the cache of your drivers. So what you should do is go to graphics, go to global settings, go to shader cache files, click on disabled. Then go to your PC and type run, type %local app data %, click on OK. Look for your GPU driver, go to DX cache and make sure to delete everything in here. Then go to app data, go to local low, go to NVIDIA, DX cache and make sure to clear everything in here as well. Then go back to your GPU app again, go to shader cache size and make sure to enable it again. Now the next way to fix it is to actually go to documents, go to Rockstar Games, go to GTA 5 Enhanced, then go to your settings and delete all SGA files. Now the next step is to go to GTA 5 Enhanced again, and then go to View, click on Show and make sure to enable file name extensions. And then you should see this setting right here. But some people will not have this setting at all. So what you're gonna have to do then is go to Google and type settings.xml GTA 5 and click on this link right here. Then click on download, download again. Then you're going to right click on this folder, click on extract all, extract. Then you're gonna open this folder, gonna go to FPS booster, and here is the settings.xml. You're gonna right click on it, open with notepad. Then you're gonna scroll all the way down until you see video card description. And this is a random GPU. You're gonna replace this with your GPU. So the way to do it is to go to search on your computer, go to device manager and look at display adapters. And here you're gonna see your specific GPU. Copy that. Paste it in here like so, go to file, click on save, then you're going to right click on the settings again, click on copy, then you're going back to your GTA Enhanced folder and you're gonna copy paste and replace it in there. The next way to fix it is to actually go to your GTA launcher. In my case it's Rockstar Games. Go to settings, click on GTA, go to view installed folders, then scroll until you see GTA 5.x, then you're gonna right click on it and click on copy as path. Then go to your search again and type graphics settings, click on add desktop app and then paste the address of that X file. Then scroll until you see GTA 5, click on this button right here, go to GPU preference and click on high performance. The last step is to actually delete the DX12 cache files. So go to storage settings, click on temporary files and basically disable everything except the DirectX shader cache and then click on remove files.